In this video, we will be going over the Level Manager settings. To get to the Level Manager, all you have to do is right-click over the levels. It's this last option down here on the bottom. It's called Level Manager. I'm going to left-click to select it, and it's going to pop up the Level Manager dialog. Basically, what we use the Level Manager for here at MoDOT, if we're creating a display and we need to change some of the default colors so they'll show up on a print better, if we want to print something in color, you can use this Level Manager to override some of the colors on your drawing without actually changing your original colors, and we can do this by using color overrides. So the first thing you need to do is come in here, and where it says by level is change this to overrides. Then down below here we have a list of all of our levels. Maybe we want to change some of the colors in our drawing out here. Maybe for these roadway landlines out here, since they're a yellow color, they probably won't print out very well on the drawing. So all I would have to do to change the color is come to the roadway landlines. This first column here is called color. So I'll come down to where it says roadway landlines, click in that column. It'll pop up my color palette, and now I can select another color. Maybe I'll change it to blue. So I'll just select the blue color, and you can see it changed it here. It hasn't done anything out on my screen yet. I'm just changing it in my Level Manager for now. Of course, you can also come in here and change your line styles and your line weights if you need to. Maybe I also want to change this text property owner color. So all the text out there, maybe I want to change that to another color as well. Maybe I'll make that red. And then I'll just change one more color so you can kind of see what this will do. I'm going to change my trees, even though green's probably okay. I'm just going to change it to a magenta color. So now that I have my colors changed, all I have to do to apply these colors to my drawing is go back up to my View Attributes, select it, and down here I have an option to turn on my color overrides. So if I select that one, you can see as soon as I select it, it's going to change the colors in my drawing. So now if I needed to print this out for a display, I can just print it out. And now if I want to go back to my original colors, I can just select the level overrides again to turn it off. And my colors will be back to normal. I'm going to close my View Attributes box. And you can always leave these set. You don't have to change them back to the default. So that's really all we use the Level Manager for here at MoDOT, is to override either the color or the line style attributes in our MicroStation drawing.